Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Do you have to report Medicaid on your taxes? Many people wonder about this, especially when it comes time to file their annual tax returns, and it's a very common question. Let's get straight to the answer. Generally, no, you do not have to report Medicaid benefits as income on your federal tax return. The healthcare services you receive through Medicaid are not considered taxable income by the IRS. Medicaid is a government assistance program designed to provide healthcare, not to provide income, so the value of these health services is simply not counted as something you need to pay taxes on. This is good news for millions of Americans. However, there are a couple of points to understand for clarity. You might receive a Form 1095-B, called health coverage. If you had Medicaid coverage during the year, your state Medicaid agency will likely send you this form. This Form 1095-B is proof that you had qualifying health coverage, also known as minimum essential coverage, under the Affordable Care Act. It's for your records. You do not typically need to attach Form 1095-B to your federal tax return when you file. You should keep it with your other important tax documents, just in case you need it later or if your tax preparer asks about your health coverage status. Most tax software will simply ask if you had health insurance for the year, and this form helps you confirm that information. While the federal penalty for not having health insurance is currently zero, some states still have their own individual mandates and penalties, so having this form is still useful. Now, there's a specific and less common situation where payments related to Medicaid might come into play, but this is different from the health benefits themselves. Sometimes, certain state Medicaid waiver programs provide payments directly to individuals, often for caregiving services. For example, if you are a family member providing in-home care for a disabled child or elderly parent under a specific home and community-based services, HCBS, Medicaid waiver program, you might receive payments for your services. Under IRS Notice 2014-7, these specific types of payments, often called difficulty of care payments, can sometimes be excluded from your gross income if certain conditions are met, such as the care recipient living in the same home as the care provider. This is a very specific tax rule for certain caregiver payments, not for the general health benefits of Medicaid. If you are receiving payments from a Medicaid waiver program, it is very important to check your specific program's rules and consult with a qualified tax professional to understand if those payments are taxable or excludable. But for the vast majority of people, receiving standard Medicaid healthcare benefits means no additional tax reporting or taxable income to worry about. So, to reiterate, for most people, Medicaid health benefits are not taxable income and do not need to be reported on your tax return. Keep your Form 1095-B for your records, and if you have a complex situation involving payments from a Medicaid waiver program, always seek professional tax advice. Thank you for watching and learning more about this important topic. If this information was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.